I used to attend a lot of conferences. I used to speak at a lot of conferences. And there was one keynote that changed my life, and not in a good way.
Bone bites. Chomp.
A university professor was speaking, and their topic was everyone should learn to code, which means that all teachers should be teaching their students how to program computers. The audience was mostly elementary school teachers, and the professor gave a tour of a popular Coding for Kids website. Now, I have a degree in computer science, and I don't think that everybody should learn how to code any more than everyone should learn how to become a plumber. Different people should do different things. And I don't really think it's the job of an elementary school teacher to teach students how to program computers, especially if they're not qualified to teach that. So afterwards, I was interested in chatting with the speaker. Guess what? The keynote speaker did not know how to code. They didn't disclose that during the talk, but they spent an hour on stage telling hundreds of teachers how everybody has to learn how to code. Surely this keynote speaker had a lot of experience using that curriculum with actual elementary school students. No. The only experience they had was fiddling around with that website a little bit as they were planning their talk. The icing on the cake, of course, is the conference paid this person thousands of dollars to give this talk. This made me realize that conferences don't check whether their keynote speaker has done the thing they're talking about. And that means they certainly aren't checking all of their breakout speakers to see if they've done the things that they're talking. And it made me realize that as a speaker myself who had keynoted conferences, no conference had ever asked me to go through the talk with them. Every conference organizer who had hired and paid me, they were seeing my keynote for the first time as I gave it. They had no idea what I was going to talk about on stage. So whenever somebody's on stage talking about a teaching idea, you have to ask yourself, has this person actually done the thing they're talking about? And this is one of many reasons why I don't do speaking anymore. I don't do conferences or workshops because I just don't think getting up on stage and talking will actually solve a problem for teachers. And this is why I do Byrdseed TV instead now. I write actual lessons that teachers can just use.